Okay, this is the message that I mentioned in our training, and I want you to pay extra attention to. So this one says this file has been uploaded before. Do you want to overwrite the uploaded file? It's great that it shows the file name. So if this had a generic file name, say image 001 or 12345 or something like that, and you're not sure if somebody else had used that similar file name, I would just go ahead and cancel out and go in there and change this file name to like version 2 or something like that. You should be able to edit it right here and make it a version 2 and then start all over again and upload it so that the next time you add it, it won't give you any overwrite message. And most importantly, you'll have the right documentation in the right tab. So I changed the file name just to be sure I'm not overwriting something. And I'm going to say upload. It should be a clean upload. And it appears in that binder.